Hello, this is Mike Janulitis, owner of Cornerable Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure Cornerable Server Manager to automatically configure servers and workstations listed in Active Directory. First, we need to configure the Active Directory connection. Select Edit, Server Manager Properties, then select the Active Directory tab. If you've already logged into the domain, this step is automatic. However, if you're not logged into the domain, you will need to specify the host, path, and authentication settings to your Active Directory server. For this demo, I've spun up a virtual 2016 domain controller on Azure and pre-populated several organizational units with bogus server names. I've also pre-populated my connection settings. Once you enter your information, click the Test Connection button to validate the settings are correct. Now, from the Object Explorer, I'm going to locate the Auto Configurators node at the bottom, then right-click and select New Auto Configurator. I'll specify a friendly name. Select the organizational unit I would like to scan. Choose to recurse sub-organizational units. You have the option to append the domain name to each computer if necessary. There's also an option to remove computers not found. I'm going to select this option so I can show you the real power of the Auto Configurator. Next, I need to select the execution frequency. I'm going to select one of the pre-installed schedules. Next, I'm going to select the Filters and Exclusions tab so I can show you how to create a filter to limit the result set of computers. I have two pre-installed filters, servers and workstations. If I select servers, then click the Properties button, we can see the filter detail. Notice the attribute column is pre-populated. However, if you want to filter on a computer a custom attribute, you can click New Criteria, then type the attribute name, and you'll notice you can choose the data type. This tutorial isn't about complex filters, so I'm just going to cancel and move on. I'm going to clear the filter. Notice, you also have the option of manually adding exclusions. Next, we need to configure what host group to place the discovered computers. Then I have the option of assigning template groups, as well as specific templates to each computer. For this demo, I'm just going to select three templates. Disk space, which will send me an alert when disk space is critically low. Event log consolidation and monitoring, which will download the security, system, and application event logs, then save the entries to SQL Server, MySQL, or the built-in file system format. And lastly, Windows SSL certificate expiration, which will send me alerts when Windows installed SSL certificates are nearing their expiration and need to be replaced. Next, I can assign any reports which I would like to include. I'm going to select a report group which I configured earlier. Each report assigned to the group will be automatically assigned to each computer. Finally, I would like to see a daily summary of the Auto Configurator, so I'm going to select an email action and lastly click Apply. Since this is a demo, I'm not going to wait for the schedule, but instead manually trigger the execution by right-clicking on the new Auto Configurator and selecting Execute Now. Once complete, we can see the newly added computers, assigned templates, and reports under the host group we targeted. Now, Let's say at some point one of these computers is removed from Active Directory. To simulate this, I'm going to manually add a computer to this group. Once added, I need to select Host Properties and then check the Manage by Auto Configurator option. This option is automatically set when a computer is discovered through the Auto Configurator. Now if I run it again, we can see the computer was removed. You can see how easy it is to automatically configure your compliance and monitoring requirements across your entire network without the need to manually clean up configurations when computers are end-of-lifed. Thank you for watching, and please, if you like this video, click the like button for me.